好. Hello everybody, welcome to Orichinese. This is John. I'm your Chinese teacher today. I hope you enjoy our Chinese lesson today, and we will talk about a very interesting topic, and it is so important that you will start your Chinese learning journey with this program. What is it? Pinyin. I love pinyin, do you? And what is pinyin, you may ask, if you have never learned Chinese. Even though you have learned Chinese for a long time, you will have to pay attention to pinyin, because pinyin is so important throughout your Chinese learning journey. Okay, what is pinyin? Pinyin is a short form for 汉语拼音. 汉语拼音. So what is 汉语拼音? You know 汉语. 汉语 is Chinese language. And 拼音 is a short form for 拼音文字. So 汉语拼音文字. It is an official system to transcribe Chinese characters into Roman letters. Romanization is a way for Chinese people to give symbols to Chinese language pronunciation. And it's different from English. Chinese has actually two systems. One is written system, and one is spoken system. And the spoken system is pinyin. If you know Chinese pinyin, and then you will know how to say Chinese, how to speak Chinese. And anyhow, it's very important. It's very important. And you will realize it's very important throughout the whole process. And we will spend several lessons on learning pinyin. Very, very useful, very, very important lessons. Okay, but before we start our Chinese pinyin lesson, let me give you some tips. Okay, tips. Tip 1. Number 1 is pay attention to the tones. You know tones? Like, you may not know tones, because in English or in many languages, there is no tone. It's such a thing in many languages. But Chinese is a tone language. And how many tones do we have? 4 tones. Okay? 4 tones. What are they? First tone, second tone, third tone, fourth tone, and fifth tone. And you may say, oh, you actually said nothing. Okay. We will talk about that specifically later, in later lessons. And second tip is practice single initials or single consonants and vowels and possible syllables in Chinese. Why? Okay, I am going to tell you why. In Chinese, there are 21 initials and there's 36 finals. Okay, and the possible combination of syllables is limited. How many are they? There are in total 440 possible syllables. So it is limited. And but although it's limited, but if you spend a lot of time practicing each one of them, it will be very helpful. Very helpful. And at the same time, tip 3, please practice it with your native Chinese friends or your teachers or our teachers. We can provide the service for you. And practice the initials, finals, and syllables. And also practice speaking with your native Chinese friends. That is very, very important. Okay? And number 4, I think. Number 3 or 4, I don't know. Number 4, okay? 4. Okay.